Hey there, everyone. Today, we are diving into an exciting development in the world of clean energy and electric vehicles. Get ready for a fascinating journey as we explore how an industrialist from Punjab is revolutionizing fuel cell technology. So, what's the big deal? Well, Dr. H.S. Cheema, the chairman of Cheema Boilers Limited, has come up with a brilliant idea to replace an expensive component in fuel cells with a more affordable alternative. You see, fuel cells are like the heart of clean energy systems, and one of the key ingredients is a catalyst, which is traditionally made with a rare and costly metal called palladium. But Dr. Cheema has found a way to replace this expensive metal with something much more accessible and affordable: graphite. By doping graphite with certain elements, he's created a catalyst that performs just as well as palladium, but at a fraction of the cost. This is a game changer, folks. Now, why does this matter? Well, personally, I think it's a huge step towards making clean energy more accessible and affordable for everyone. Fuel cells are an essential part of the transition to a greener future, especially for electric vehicles. By reducing the cost of fuel cells, we are opening up a whole new world of possibilities for sustainable transportation. Imagine a future where electric cars are not only environmentally friendly, but also economically viable for everyone. This technology could make that future a reality. It's not just about the cost, though. By using graphite, we are also reducing our reliance on rare and finite resources. This is a more sustainable approach, and it's a great example of how innovation can drive us towards a greener and more responsible future. But it doesn't stop there. Dr. Cheema's innovation has the potential to cut fuel cell costs by a whopping 60%. That's a massive reduction. And when you think about the potential impact on the adoption of hydrogen-based electric vehicles in India, it's truly mind-blowing. India, with its growing population and increasing focus on sustainability, could become a leader in clean energy technology with innovations like this. So, what many people don't realize is that these small innovations can have a massive ripple effect. Dr. Cheema's work is a perfect example of how one person's idea can revolutionize an entire industry and drive us towards a more sustainable future. It's an inspiring story, and it shows that innovation knows no bounds. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought: what other hidden gems of innovation are out there, waiting to be discovered? Dr. Cheema's work is a reminder that progress often comes from unexpected places. So, keep an eye out for these game-changing ideas, and let's embrace the future of clean energy together. Until next time, stay curious, and keep exploring the world of innovation.